Did you know Pasuma, one of Nigeria's most popular and wealthiest Fuji musicians, has a history of romantic involvement with several notable women? In this video, we will delve into the top 10 women who have been associated with Pasuma romantically. Welcome to DIGINAIJA, where we bring you latest stories. Remember to like, share and follow us. Pasuma's romantic relationship with renowned actress Ronke Odusonya was highly publicized in the past. During an interview, Ronke discussed their personal relationship and the reasons behind their breakup. He emphasized that not every romantic connection needs to culminate in marriage, which was the case with Pasuma. Despite parting ways romantically, they remained close friends. The constant public attention on celebrity relationships can lead to challenges and issues, ultimately contributing to the end of their love story. Diakwiti is a multifaceted talent known for her acting prowess, screenwriting, film production, and business acumen. She was once in a romantic relationship with Pasuma, though she later denied it to protect her marriage. The rumors of their union persisted, fueled by her involvement in some of Pasuma's music videos. Still, Diakwiti clarified that it was all part of her professional work. Ayode Sonya and Pasuma had a romantic involvement for some time. According to Pasuma, he was deeply in love with her and planned to marry her. Unfortunately, the relationship faced challenges after they were exposed by journalists. The sudden intrusion into their private life led to misunderstandings and eventually a breakup. Iyabo Ojo not only dated Pasuma but allegedly snatched him from a close friend, Larry, who is a millionaire shoemaker based in Lagos. There were even reports of Iyabo orchestrating an attack on Larry due to her infatuation with Pasuma. Both Iyabo and Larry attended Pasuma's 50th birthday celebration, where they noticeably ignored each other. Lara Olukotun, a wealthy Lagos socialite and CEO of Larry's Shoe Village, also had a romantic relationship with Pasuma until Iyabo Ojo allegedly took him from her. Lara was known for lavish spending on any man who expressed affection for her. Yetunde holds a unique position as Pasuma's legally married wife. She is involved in various businesses, politics, and holds a traditional title. While acknowledging that Pasuma has other women in his life, she firmly believes that she is the only legally recognized wife, with other women being mere tenants. Fathia Balogun is another Yoruba actress who had a relationship with Pasuma. They tried to keep it secret, but their celebrity status made it impossible to do so. Rumors suggest that the affair contributed to Fathia's marital issues with Saheed Balogun, implying that they had been seeing each other secretly for years. Motorai Oluwakemi, a popular actress and producer, gained attention for her alleged romantic affair with Pasuma. She remains heartbroken since Pasuma moved on from their relationship. A renowned Yoruba actress once shared a romantic history with Pasuma several years ago. She is a prominent Nigerian actress, movie producer, musician, and director, born on July 17, 1974 in Lagos, Nigeria, with roots in Ondo State. Ronke Oshodioke has built a long-standing career in the Nollywood industry, where she has been actively involved for many years. In 1995, she became a part of a drama group, but it wasn't until the year 2000 that she gained significant recognition. Her breakthrough came with a role in the movie Oshodioke, which propelled her to fame and led her to adopting the stage name Ronke Oshodioke. Her relationship with Pasuma was quite public, as they openly dated and shared their experiences with the public. From the start, the well-endowed actress knew that it would be challenging to keep Pasuma all to herself. Finally, Mercy Aigbe undeniably stands out as one of the most beautiful and stylish actresses in the Nigerian film industry. Her acting prowess has constantly been outstanding, establishing her as one of the most beloved actresses in the Yoruba Nollywood scene. Over the years, she has earned numerous awards and nominations for exceptional performances in various movies. It might come as a surprise to many to learn that Mercy Aigbe's name is among those linked with Pasuma. Mercy and Pasuma's love story began at an event where Pasuma was performing, and their relationship developed from there. If you are surprised by Pasuma's connection with Mercy Aigbe, or if you believe there are other women he has dated we haven't mentioned in this video, please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Remember to like, share and follow us. This is DIGINAIJA. Thanks for watching.